Hey, welcome back. Today is a special one because this is the maiden voyage for my 1980 Kenworth K100. We're finally putting this old Cabover to work by breaking it in the right way by hauling hay. I'll be loading bale bundles with the Ford 9030 tractor, hitting the road, and then unloading at the customers with our Komatsu Forklift. If you enjoy classic trucks, honest farm work, and seeing old iron earn its keep, you're definitely going to want to stick around. Hop in, buckle up, and let's see how this K100 does on its first run. Shifting this old cab over was kind of challenging. The linkage had some slop in it and was a bit sticky. I finally started arguing with the metal box until it finally gave up a gear. I did get the hang of it about the end of the trip. I love using this tractor to load hay. It is a Ford 9030 bidirectional. It has a 3-range hydrostatic transmission. All of the controls for the loader are on foot pedals, and the forward reverse is ran off of a hand control. The loader is easily removed, and the console rotates 180 degrees, so it can be used like a normal tractor. On our operation, we use both of our 9030s for mainly loading hay, but on occasion, we put a swather header on in place of the loader to cut hay. What I'm loading on the truck today is teff. It is a great low sugar option for horses that need low sugar hay for their diet. The teff hay I am loading is in 12 bale bundles. Each bundle has 12 16 by 18 by 46 inch bales. Each bundle weighs approximately about 1,000 pounds. I'm loading 14 bundles on this load, which is about 7 tons of hay. Now it's time to strap all the hay down to make sure it doesn't fall off the truck. I don't want to have to pick it up twice. So here's a few things about the truck. It is a 1980 Kenworth K100 Cabover. It has a big cam Cummins, a 13-speed transmission. It has a 28-foot flatbed, and it also has a 30-foot flatbed trailer to match that will pull for double loads. Thanks for riding along today. This truck truly brings a smile to my face every time I drive it. There is just something about a classic Cabover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite truck story below. And until next time, keep the hay on your truck and the coffee in your cup.